So Kennedy works in a department store selling clothing. She makes a guaranteed salary of $350 per week. So this is guaranteed. That means this is definite she will be getting this much. But is paid a commission on top of her base salary equal to 10% of her total sales for the week. So definitely she is getting $350. Plus she will be getting 10% of her total sales. Oh, sales for the week. How much would Kennedy make in a week in which she made $1,375 in sales? So how much would Kennedy make in a week? They're asking in a week how much will be made in which she made $1,375 in sales. So in 1 week, not in 1 week, let's say, but how much ever it was, how much would Kennedy make in a week? This week, what happened was in total, she's getting $1,375. This is her weekly money that she is getting. They are saying 350 per week. So this is in a week she is getting 10% of the week, whatever other sales she has done extra she is getting on top of that, and this is for the whole week she is getting. Now what do you think? Any idea how can we put it in an equation format?
Uh, 350 plus 0.10
Okay.
because that's percent
All right.
equals 1,375.
But isn't it they're asking how much would Kennedy make in a week if she made X dollars in sales? There is no variable, nothing. So what are we finding from this equation?
10. It should be so should it be 0.10 plus 350 D?
Oh, that means D should be here.
No, X.
X should be here.
No, it should only be in the middle.
You mean to say we
So,
write this way?
yeah, that way.
Now see here, there is just one thing that they are saying this is guaranteed salary. That means 350 is a fixed one. It's not varying. What is varying? Commission on top of her salary, which is equal to 10% of her total sales. The commission is varying. So 10% of whatever is going to be that will be different for every week. So 10% will be 10%, whatever that is going to be different for every week because the sales will be different. But this is definite that for the week we are getting 1375, right?
Right?
Now over here, this is definite she will, out of 1375, 350 is her guaranteed salary, correct?
Correct.
Plus she will be getting 10% of total weekly sales. Now total weekly sales, it is possible that she she sold 50 clothing, or she sold 60, 70, or she sold maybe 5, there was no rush or something. So there is a possibility that this thing can change, correct?
Correct.
Total sales can vary. So that's what they are saying. How much would Kennedy make in a week if she made X dollars in sales? So she has made X dollars in sales.
Okay.
How will we put it then?
We have to write it as the equation when she sells $6.
So
I
see,
draw the house.
but I won't be able to see it. Camera is not working, na? When it is
Yeah.
your camera is fixed, do show it to me.
Okay.
All right. So yes, we were saying that the total weekly sales are not fixed, and that is what they are giving us, that whatever she has earned is X dollars. So that means 0.10 of X she will be getting, the total earnings. So that the total earnings, what is the total earnings over here right now?
13,
Yes.
1,375.
Yes. But over here they are saying total earnings when selling 1375 and total earnings when selling X dollars. So over here, if we just want to write it in this format, it's going to be 350 plus 0.10 times X. Is it making sense? Should we do it together again?
I have that noted down.
Hmm, that's great. All right. So we want to write down when the earnings we are having are X. So total earnings we are having is X. That's what we are writing here.
So it's 350 plus 0.10x equals 1,375.
It's the total earnings when we are selling X dollars.
Oh,
So this is, do you want me to repeat once more?
no.
Okay. So now instead of X, what they are saying is they are having uh, the selling is 1375. So in place of X, there is 1375. So how much would that be?
10.25.
10.25. How? If you multiply 0, yeah,
No, if you divide 0.10, you have to move your decimal 2 places to the left.
yes. What is going to be the answer for this one?
Uh, 10.25.
Let's do it separately. 1375, and this can be written as 10 over 100, correct? We can cancel out the zeros. We're getting 1375 over 10. What is the answer for this?
137.5.
Yeah, so it's 137.5. And
Oh,
how, yes, how much is this?
487.5.
487.5. So we got this. Any question in this part?
No.
Great. All right. So over here we are not writing, going to write down the, we are not going to write down the equations. Over here we have to tell the expression by doing the whole of the, by analyzing the whole of the situation that is given here. Okay. Any questions in this one?
No.
Let's go to the next part now. Now, they are saying Jacob went to a store to buy some walnuts. The price per pound of the walnuts is 350 3 and $3.50 per pound, and he has a coupon of $1.25 off of the full amount. With the coupon, how much would Jacob have to pay to buy 5 pounds of walnuts? Also write an expression for the cost to buy p pounds of walnuts, assuming at least 1 pound is purchased. Now, number one thing that we have to realize over here, let's say we go to the shop and we want to buy walnuts. There is a lot of quantity we want to buy the walnuts for. Let's say the whole quantity comes out to be $20. The shopkeeper has given this offer that if someone buys walnuts for $20 now, they will be giving a $5 off. Someone buys for $20, I will give $5 off. So What do you think? What will the person has to pay at the end?
The tax.
No, tax and everything is included there. The person is there to buy walnuts. Shopkeeper had a discount going on, and he had a special offer. If someone buys a walnuts for $20, that person will be getting a $5 off. $5 over off.
$5 off. Okay.
Yeah. So it's a $5 discount. He's given the discount of $5. So how much will the person have to pay?
$15.
That's right. So $20, $5 off. So $15 is the amount the person has to pay.
Oh yeah,
Because
I'm writing on your screen.
yes, you'll be able to write on my screen now. So you can point out if there is any question you are having from any point. So by with this point cleared that if they are giving us an off, that off will be taken out of the original amount, correct?
Correct.
So we will be having the amount that we have to pay. Now, with that thing in mind, let's read the question again. Jacob went to the store to buy some walnuts. The price per pound of the walnuts is $3.50 per pound. That means for 1 pound, the price is $3.50 for 1 pound. He has a coupon of $1.25 off for final amount. So he is getting $1.25 off. This is off price for the final amount. For the final amount. With the coupon, how much would Jacob have to pay to buy 5 pounds of walnuts? So right now it was 1 pound. For 1 pound, he will have to pay this much. For 5 pounds, how much will Jacob have to pay?
So it should be 3.50
Mm-hmm.
times 5.
Very good.
17.50.
Yeah. So he will
Correct.
have to pay $17.50 for 5 pounds. Very good. Now they are asking this was for 5 pounds. Also write an expression for the cost to buy p pounds of walnuts. Assuming at least, wait, there is just one more thing. This is the cost of 5 pounds, but they are saying, then where has this gone? They are saying on the final amount, that is, this is the final amount. They are giving $1.25 off. What does it mean?
Uh, minus 1.25.
Yeah. What do we get
With
now?
uh, so it should be
Do you want me to write for you?
oh yeah, I can write on the screen. And I'll do the math on the screen.
Sure. Here.
15.25.
15.25. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the final amount he has to pay. Now they are saying final cost of p pounds. So what is it? What is going to be the cost of p pounds?
It should be 3.50 plus 1.25 p.
See, the cost of 1 pound was this. What is the cost of p pounds?
Not zero,
How is it zero?
because p is just a variable.
So, okay, let's say if it was 100 pounds. For 5 pounds, we got the answer like this. For 100 pounds, what do we have to do with this?
100 times 3.50,
Yeah, if this was
which is
170,
350
yeah, it's 350. Now, if it was 75 pounds, what would we do with the 75 and this?
times 3.50.
Yeah. So if it is some random number p, what is going to be the cost? How can we calculate that?
3.50
Mhm.
plus,
Okay.
so that means 3.50 minus 1.25.
Okay. See, just like p, I was varying the numbers. That is when I said if it is 75 pounds, you said 75 multiplied by 3.50. If it is 100 pounds, so it is going to be 100 multiplied by 3.50. If it is 96 pounds, what do we do?
96 times 3.5.
Yeah, so it's the same. We don't know just the value of p. So it's p pound. What will we do with the that value if p was a number?
1.25 times 3.50.
Oh, forget about this. I'm not talking about this thing. I'm just talking about 1 pound is this, 75
Oh,
pounds
p
is,
times 3.50.
yes. So it's p times 3.50. So times this, that means 3.50 p is the final amount for p pounds, correct?
Correct?
They are saying on the final amount, they are giving $1.25 off. This was the final amount. They are giving $1.25 off on 350p. What do we do with that?
Times 1.25?
Hmm. Here also
No,
there
not
was off.
times, minus.
Yes. So minus 1.25.
So it should be
And
3.50 minus 1.25, right?
sorry, 3.50p minus
Yeah.
1.25. So that's our final expression. So we have to check if they are giving a off, if they are saying that we are adding, or something is more. Depending on that, we will have to solve the particular question.
Oh, okay.
Any questions still here?
No.
All right. Let's go. Did you make a note?
Yeah.
Great.
Why? Because it should be when I did 17 minus 1, when I regrouped from the 1 side, I did 6 minus 1, which is 5.
Yeah, so it is 16.25.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Can we go to GimKit?
Yeah, sure.
Do you launch it?